Yo guys, good afternoon. Can you guys hear me? Okay. Yeah, guys, I'll leave I'll give 5-10 minutes so everyone can join, okay? Let's just wait for everyone because think there's still people that will come, okay? Okay, so I believe I gave times so everyone could join. How you guys been? Is everything okay with you guys? Mm, let me put everything ready here. 1 second. I'm good, thank you, bro. All good. Uh, let me see. There is people speaking Spanish here. 1 second. Sí, mi español no es muy bueno, ok, pero las personas que no entienden mucho bien en español, ok, esa llamada simplemente va a ser en inglés, pero yo creo que tienen, ¿cómo se dice? Yo no sé, la traducción en lo Zoom, ok, pero sí. So guys, yeah, I was explaining to people that this call it will be in English, okay? But I think they can have um, the translation in a Zoom call, okay? But yeah, that's good that everyone is okay. Let's start, guys. This is our first call, okay? I want to make this clear. Everything here it will be kind of a test, okay? Because at the end we need to know your feedback because we're gonna sell a service and we need to know your feedback. How's everything? It will be on this call from the beginning to the end. We're gonna have there is a person here that is one of my admins. It will give the website, okay, to so you guys can make can say the feedback there, can give the feedback there, and we'll appreciate your feedback, honest feedback, please. Don't just go there and put everything was super cool and all that. If you have some notes that you want to give to us, I will appreciate, okay, because it's with that that we can keep growing and I can keep giving you a better service, okay, so that it will be important for us, okay. Maybe just a second. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, guys, I want to start this call talking about our story because I think it's important. We're going to the charts as soon as possible. Okay, but let me just finish this because I think everything has a beginning. Have a beginning, and oh, by the way, my English is not an A plus. Okay, but I'll try my best to give everything I can and so you all can understand, okay. So our story, like I've been trading for almost 7 years now, okay. I start trading in MLM company, start learning there and start growing from there. Then I decided to start looking for something more serious after that. Then I found like RCV. I believe most of people that is here believe and know that I was in RCV. I was admin there, and then I decided to create my own thing. I think it was about time to do that. I really appreciate, really enjoy like all the journey in in the MLM company and not in the RCV after that. But yeah, after okay, I decided after that, after some time, I decided to create my own thing that is now Momentum Masters. Okay, that I'm creating with some admins, with admins that I have that is also my friends. Okay, my personal friends is my inner circle. Is they are with me on everything. There, it's all together for everything. Um, so yeah, give me just a second. What is happening here? Okay, my bad. Sorry. Um, yeah. So I was with them. That means I start creating the Momentum Masters. Okay. Um, let me tell you how I met them. I met them like some of them long time ago with me, like 6 years, around 6 years ago. Others in like 1, 2 years ago. But every of them I believe and trust the 100%. I've been teaching them to training them so they can give you also the best service that they can provide to you. Okay. So they one day it was on Netherlands. Okay, I was there on small vacations, and one of them said, "Oh, why we don't create a community? Like, I think it's time. It's about time to do something different." And I said, "Yeah, I think it's time. Let's start doing that." Then I start realizing, okay, it's really about time. I already know like how I can make people profitable. Okay, so yeah, that's how everything starts. We decide to create the community, and yeah, that's it, guys. After that, I want to talk to you as well about our future plans, what we have planning, at least for now. Okay, for you all, we have planning to do boot camps. Okay, at least two or three per year. Okay, it's only boot camps. There's not going to be a course for sell to sell. It's just boot camps, and now this small service. Um, this small service that is, it will be a weekly call, but let me explain you how this will work. Okay, this is a call where I'm not going to explain to you guys how I trade. I'm going to touch in some aspects and some points because I need that in order to give you the bias of the pairs and everything. Okay, but it's not gonna, I will keep saving some details for future bootcamps. That will be the primary service. Okay, this is just like a secondary service. It just like, so you guys can have something while we don't have the boot camps. Okay, you guys can have some type of knowledge, even if it's just a little bit. At least I believe it will help you all, because I believe 100% of what I have in my hands and on how I work with them. I think that's the most important thing. So yeah, this is what we have for now. We pretend to keep growing, okay, with time. Like, we always want to grow our community, and on Sundays we normally have admin calls so we can discuss on everything about the community and how we can keep giving a better service week after week. Okay, so we always going to keep working. If there's something that I'm not saying today, is because we're going to discuss later on future calls. Okay, so now let's go to the charts. Okay, the pairs that I'm normally looking, it's EU, it's these pairs. Everyone can see my screen, by the way. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Yeah, normally the pairs that I'm looking is these ones. It doesn't mean that I trade frequently every pair that is here. Okay, my main pairs is Euro USD and GBP USD. This is my main pairs. I also give a check on DXY. Okay, just to have some extra confirmations for buyers or something like that. The other pairs that you see here, okay, like USD CAD, USD GPY, AUD are normally pairs that I trade only if I don't see anything in my main pairs. Okay, or if I see something really good, a really good swing opportunity, because I believe, and you all can see that my main style is pretty much like being a swing trader. I really like to catch the real opportunity that is present, that you can catch the entire move. Okay, everything has a reason to happen. Okay, even for scalp, intraday, swing, position. Okay, everything you need to correlate something. Okay, let's start with you. I'm going to give you all what I use and how I see the market from the start, okay, to the end, so from the beginning to the end. So I normally look at the pair in monthly. Okay, I believe it's really important because with monthly you're going to see where is all the data is coming from. Okay, you can see the bias for months. Okay, so that's important. Even if you are scalper or intraday trader, swing, it doesn't matter. Okay, it's important to have a perspective where you are in monthly, because let's say this can be, let me give you this here. This is just a small example that I will make you all understand, okay, with this small this small drawing. Okay, so let's say our monthly time frame is bearish. Okay, but if our, let's say, our bullish our weekly bias, let's say, is bullish, we might have, let's say, yes, we have to assume that this is a bullish leg. Okay, this is a bullish trading zone. We should go higher from there, at least to take this high. But there is a possibility to so this can start failing for some reason, and we can have something like this. Okay, because remember, our monthly is bearish, and all this is a pullback, so we can catch this the sell. Okay, it's really important, because I believe the people that is doing a lot of mistakes in terms of bias is based on this. Okay, because they think price should go higher because this is still bullish, but they don't accept the fact that this is bearish, and it cannot I can say occur. I don't know how to say this word, but it can happen. Let's say it can happen. The transition that will lead this to bullish to bearish. Okay, it's a change, and this is why people lose so many trades, because they don't accept that this can happen, even though if this is in a bullish leg. Okay, let me just delete this. So based on what I can see here on EU, what I can see is we are we was bullish here. Okay, keep in mind, I'm not gonna reveal every detail I'm drawing. Okay, it's just like to give you some bias for the next week or something, and to teach you how you can read the market from the beginning to the end, to do like more precise analysis. Okay, we have this low here, and we have the high, we have the low, we take out the high, we had something here, also low, and the high. Here we see our low here, but we start going for lower. This is called a transition. Okay, I call this algorithmic fail. Okay, in the future you're going to understand why. Is where, like, pretty much where the algorithm failed to give the other direction. But in the future I will explain how this really works. So here is where the bearish bias just start. What I believe it can happen, like monthly, looking for really a lot of time. Okay, is that this low, it will be a target. Okay, that low, it's a target for me in the future. So who knows what can happen below this low, and we can go higher probably here. Okay, and I believe a lot of people is asking, oh, but is this not your bullish bias? Yeah, but keep in mind, because this is really monthly time frame, who knows that this can I don't believe this will die like that. I believe we just going for some liquidity so we can keep going higher, because in terms of fundamental, like the economy, okay, it's probably important, like being around this area, because it's where price is ranging. Okay, so we have to be realistic of what, in terms of economy, okay, what this will represent into this world, in this world of the financial world. Okay, so this is what I have for monthly. I think it will be a target. After that, let's see what the structure it will tell us. Okay, as you all know, I guide my guidance, it's always based on structure. Okay, then I add some stuff after the structure being there, but is pretty much structure. Okay, what I see here, I don't know, I believe some of you know, I was selling, like, I don't know what's happening here. My internet is not working well. This is not normal. Okay, but give me just a second. I'm sorry for this. Mm, 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 mm. Hello. Okay, that's good. I believe some of you know, like I was selling all these moves, okay, till this low, but a lot of people doesn't understand the why, and this is why I'm starting with this of bias, a call that we can look for bias of the pairs, because this will help you a lot. Imagine why I was selling this, okay, and I was not trying to buy to keep buying so we can go for the highs or for this high, whatever. Okay, is because of the main leg. Where is the leg? What is a continuation and what is a reversal? Okay, that's important. So for me, my leg was coming from there. Okay, and there is something that I can't assume. Okay, I never can assume that this will break. So I always gonna assume that my bias is bearish. Okay, my direction is bearish. I just I can't assume that this break it's a bullish break of structure. No, uh, I can't agree with that. I can't assume that. Okay, I only need to assume. Okay, we're going down, and this it will be a future target. This will just coming into a premium zone, whatever, and this is where I'm gonna look for my entries based on also this break that we have here. Okay, return into premium, and there we go to downside. Okay, for the target. So we want to keep doing that. Okay, that's what we want to keep doing on EU. Is for me, we still really bearish. Okay, and this for me, we have this. As you can see, just because we broke this type of highs, it doesn't matter, because we know where's our direction. Our direction is bearish, and that's what we need to assume. Okay, and then we have this high, okay, the low, this high, and the low, and the high, and the break. Okay, and this is where everything it will work, because now this is my invalidation. That means I don't want price to take out the high. Okay, it's really important. Price can't take out the high. So it's the same thing. We want to assume that we are bearish. Okay, and keep in mind everything that I'm explaining here. Okay, everything is like fractal. Everything works on every time frame. It doesn't matter if you are in second time frame, minutes time frame, hours, daily, weekly, monthly. It doesn't matter. Okay, everything is fractal. So what you use for higher time frame bias and how you apply it, you're gonna use in lower time frame as well on what time frame you're trading. Okay, so here I know we had a pullback, a bullish pullback. Okay, here we came for the high, but as you guys can see, this high never broke. So we went down, okay, because that's what we had to assume. Never assume something that didn't happen yet. Okay, we had to assume something that already was present. Okay, was present here after the break. So we have the bearish. Okay, with that, I know my bias is still bearish from for now, but I know also this we took a big low. This is really important. What I'm expecting is this high getting taken out. This is what I'm expecting right now. So we can have some type of move like this. Okay, this is my bias for Euro USD right now. Okay, because in terms of the leg that I'm trading, I'm looking for this. Okay, I want something like around here so we can keep going down, following the same direction. It doesn't mean just because we take a low, it doesn't mean we can just fly and that can be a liquidity grab or whatever. No, it means, okay, this is can be now a lower price. We are too low to keep selling, and something can happen in higher time frame. And here is where you're gonna look for sales based on structure, and if whatever structure will tell you, you just react to that. Okay, this is what I have for you. Let's go for GU. The pairs that I'm going to give bias, it will be pretty much EURUSD, GU. I don't know UCAD. Need to give a look on that, but this is what I'm going to give my bias, because I believe the most of you trade GU, GBP USD. Let me see. Okay, for EU, this is really funny. Okay, because for GU I have a little a different perspective on what I'm looking for. Okay, because if I put on monthly, I can see something really important here. That is this. This got taken out, okay? And this is a monthly time frame. This is important. This is a big liquidity grab, okay? But I believe we're still bearish. I believe we're still trading like this, okay? What I'm looking like a long term for GU is price coming around this area, around here, so we can keep giving like bearish, okay? Who knows, like after that we can probably have something like this, and then it come into a bullish a bullish trend, okay? A bullish movement. So yeah, from in monthly, this is what I can see. In daily, I can see we have the pullback of something, but is more small, okay? Something more small. It doesn't mean like it's bearish here. After this is bearish, but that doesn't mean we don't, is what I told you before, guys. That doesn't mean we're not gonna have the possibility of having like some type of bullishness, because we already took a monthly low, okay? This is important. So here we have we start a pullback of something here. We take out the high, and this for me is where it's showing me that we are bearish, okay? But after that, a new leg was shown, and this is like a new direction. So for me, after this happening, for me, I'm considering already this as a target, okay? I just need to see like how prices keep playing, okay? So in GU, I have a little bit different perspective. For me, this is still bullish, okay? I still want to assume bullish. What I was waiting for, I need, in terms of the leg that I'm having, I'm still not bullish yet, because I still have this, okay, this high to this low. But I believe there is something that can happen here, okay, around here, that can invalidate like the entire bias of bearish, because we know where we're going for more longer term, okay? And we need to always be ready for this type of scenarios in this type of spots, because if we see this as our entire leg, okay, look where we are already, you understand? So this it might happen, it's still bearish, but it might start happening something around there, so we can give the highs as a target, okay? This is what I'm looking for GU, nothing more. Let me see here. Still bullish here. At least this this is a target now. Mm, yeah, at least that is a target. Okay, this high. We might do like with the this is actually a monthly open, I think, on, yeah, tomorrow, not tomorrow, today, in a couple of hours. I believe we can do something like this and keep going higher, at least to take out this high. Let's see what it gives. This is where I don't touch more here. I don't like to touch here, because this is where price is already too high. If I'm buying, I need to make sure that I'm buying already here and here, so I can go there, okay? Let me give a check on UCAD. Uh, mm, mm, mm. UCAD, I've been saying this for so long. This highs, it's a target. It's not because it's like equal highs, because equal highs doesn't give you bias, okay? Is because of this. Let me give you my perspective. This is still intact, okay? We didn't broke this low, and the how we react here. This is what I meant before on GU. This is what happened exactly there. Look, this is still bearish, as you can see, but it gave the opposite side, because this is still intact. You see, we take out this low, but because this low is still intact, we assume that something can happen, so we can go for the highs. And this has been my bias for years on UCAD, this high. I had I don't have anymore, but I had two trades around this low and this one here, because it was off exactly after the change that we had. This is bearish. Now we are bullish. Liquidity grab. We are going higher. This is where I start catching my trades. My target was supposed to be there, but this was taking so long. Now I just decided to start closing this because it was not making any sense. Like, look, this is a space of only this area is a space of 721 days. It's too much. So I don't think there's a point to hold the trade like this. You're gonna pay a lot of commissions. I don't think it's worth it. But yeah, this is what I have. The XY, like I think is the same thing. I was waiting on this getting taken out. I think we might start having something around here to keep going higher because we still bullish. Okay, and this, just because we take this high, it doesn't mean, oh, now like this is a liquidity grab. We need confirmations to always to confirm that as a liquidity grab. Until that, we need to always assume that we're going to keep higher. We will keep going higher, and this is like oh, by the way, guys, I see many of you is like typing in a chat. I don't know if you're asking me questions, but you have the admins there. Okay, they are there to clarify everyone in their questions. Okay, so here, let me continue. Here, as I can see, this is bullish. We are in a spot where I want to keep seeing this bullish, at least this spot. Okay, this is why I'm looking. The EU bearish, but the only different thing is GU. GU for me is so different. The how is creating the legs and where we are, what we have. Even though if like the dollar has a lot of impact on this, I have a different perspective for GU. Okay, let's see how it works long term, because even though if you have the legs bullish, and we all know everything can happen, but you always need price action to confirm. So even if your bias at some point can be wrong, you need internal price action. Okay, price action that is in what is, I'm going to explain what is internal, because I believe there can be people, there is people here that is new to this type of concepts. But let's say this is my external trading zone. Okay, but inside you still have like more trading zones. Okay, but until everything is confirmed, you never can assume the change. Okay, you can assume like we keep going higher. Okay, but you only, if this is still bearish here, you need a change to fully confirm this high as a target. Okay, let me see what I have here. The AUD/USD is pretty much, I have bearish on AUD/USD. For me, this is bearish. From there, around there, we should go lower on AUD/USD. The only pair like with XXX USD that I'm seeing bullish is pretty much GU, but we still need to confirm a lot of things here. And yeah, guys, from me, it's I'm done. Okay, I just finished everything I had to say in terms of pairs and bias and everything. This is just like a small thing, okay, that you can have in mind. Okay, but I have another person to talk today. Okay, that will this guy will talk, is one of my admins as well. This he will talk about US 30. Okay, because he trade the most pair, let's say, that he trades, it's US 30. Is he called he's Zuber. He's here. I'll give him a word. Okay, Zuber is, as I told you guys, Zuber is one of my admins. I don't know him for so long. Okay, but for a couple of years I know him. We start working on our friendship and how that's everything started, and I start teaching him and everything, and now he's doing already his own things. And yeah, I wanted him to give you guys a word today of what he thinks about US 30. Okay, I have something, okay, that I will tell you. I will tell you after the call. Okay, after like Zuber ends his part, I will be here to answer some questions. But after answering some questions, I still have something for you that is about our next service. That is what we're providing now, like, but for free, this call, okay? But I'll give all the informations that you need for that service at the end, okay? Let me give you, Zuber, you there?
Yeah, bro, I'm here. Thank you.
How you doing, bro?
Hello, guys. I hope you are all fine. I'm Zuber. How I'm sure that most of you already know me from the Discord server, and I wanted to let you guys know about my view for the next few days on US 30. So, have you given me permission yet? Yes, let me just put it on. Can you all see? Let me see here. Nice. Okay. So, as you as you all can see, US 30 has been bullish forever. So basically what I'm seeing here is to continue bullish, of course, but we are in an interesting place because we just broke this high. Let me just put it here. And we broke another high here that it's a very important level because it's a psychological level. It's the 45K. US 30 touched this level yesterday on Friday. So after he touches this one, I'm expecting him to come a little bit down because as you all can see, he left a gap here, but we still have the structure intact. I have the low, the high, the low, and now we created another high here. It's right now, basically, it's on all-time highs, you know? So what I'm seeing here, it's if you go down, I'm seeing this. He took out this high, and from now on, I will be monitoring because in this time frame, from 1 hour above, you are bullish. But if you go down to 5 minutes and 15 minutes and 1 minute, for example, you are on this leg. So I will not touch this one until it breaks this leg and it gives me something because after it breaks this leg, what I would like to see, it's if it continues, okay, higher. But if it not continues, um, probably what we will see, it's a nice correction. So what I'm seeing here is to clean this low and it can come back to these other lows here, okay? The swing points, because we have this low, high, low, and high. So after it takes this low, that's the current leg, we will see from there. And just stay tuned on the community Discord. I would like to share with you my insights during next week for us to catch nice trades on US 30. If it will be buys, we will catch them. If it will be sells, I would like to catch with you all if you are all interested. I know most of you guys don't look at US 30, but I would like to have someone so I can exchanged some ideas with US 32. So for me, it's all. I hope you liked. And once more, I would like to thank you all guys for taking your time here to come to the Zoom. And I want to pass the word to Thomas now. Thank you.
Thank you, Zuber. Appreciate you, bro. Give me a second. Yeah, can you stop share the screen, bro, so I can share, please? Yeah, thank you. Okay, I believe you all can see. Okay, let me. I believe there was some questions. Let me see. Where is it? The questions. Yeah, can you all like make your questions so I can answer, please? I just decided to leave this part to the end, so I don't take any time to from Zuber. You made mentions on boot camps when it I still don't have the date, but it will be like in the near future. It's soon, okay, bro? But I still don't have the date because I need to promote that with some time in advance so people have time for like everything, okay? More questions. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, okay, yeah, this room is being recorded, okay, because it's like the free one. We decided to record this soon. Also, for we want to use this Zoom to promote the next service. Okay, so it will be recorded. I still don't know where we're going to put. Okay, but I will let you know in Discord. By the way, guys, if there's someone here in this call that is not in our Discord, Momentum Masters, please join. Okay, because I believe there is people that join from Instagram and not Discord. Okay, you have if you join if you look for Momentum Masters in Instagram, you'll find there is a Discord link on the bio. Okay, you can join. It's free. You don't pay anything. You can join the community. Let me see. This went in the Discord. Okay. Yeah, these the staff markups went in the Discord. Are they coming back? Okay. This is what I have for after. Okay, for because the what I decided is that the staff markups it will be followed by this service that I'm gonna sell that we're going to sell, that is this type of bias with weekly charts and case studies. Okay, but I also will have another channel, okay, that is going to be free, where like sometimes admins or even me can post, even myself can put some markups there, some case studies where you can like keep looking at something. Okay, it's not going to be much, as you all know, because the other ones, where is the other channel, that is where everything it will be. Okay, all the markups and all, but sometimes we can put one or two in the free one. Okay, so everyone can keep seeing something. Let me see questions. Yes, guys, this is something that I want to talk. Isaac, but one is always open. Yeah, yeah. Look, one is always open. I'm having like a lot of people right now. Okay, I just have like one or two places that I can accept. The other people that is after that, guys, like if you want to keep to learning from someone one ones, okay, I train my admins for actually that. Okay, you guys can take service with them. They have their own prices. Is not the same as mine, so you guys can take a service with them, which who you want to take the service, what admin. I believe just one here, no, two here that doesn't have a service for now, and it's my admin, Damien, that take care of everything that is in terms of websites, everything that is programming and stuff like that is him is for Damien. Okay, but he's still learning a lot of things. Okay, in the future, who knows, he can sell his service or not. Okay, but he also has another type of service, guys. I know, like in terms of programming, if who knows if someone has is looking for someone that's to build a website. Okay, you can talk to Damien. He can sell his service to you all. Okay, and my other admin is Paulo. Okay, Paulo is the guy that is taking care of the Discord. He's still learning as well, trading for now. Who knows in the future if he'll sell a service for you all or not. Okay, so yeah. The boot will be in English. Yes, the bootcamp, guys, it will be in English. Okay, how I can put this to down? 1 second, I can't read. Okay. 1 second. Bootcamp only in English. Yeah. Imagine, I know Spanish. I think I have some students that speak Spanish. I don't think they have problems understanding me. I think they can understand me, but um, we're going to try to find something for the future for for Spanish language. Okay, um, I'll try to figure out something so I can give you content in Spanish. But it's for a near future. But it's something that I still need to talk with admins and yeah. Yeah, some of them trade funded accounts. You can have yeah, you can have one. Yeah, okay, this is Sandro. Okay, 1 second. The Discord link in Instagram is not working. Expired. Okay, I don't understand why is that happening, but I'll let the admins taking care of that. Let me, guys. Can any admin? Can you guys put a new link on this chat box, please? So the people that is not in Instagram in Discord can join there. It's already done. Okay, thank you. 1 second. Okay, yeah, it's there. Let me see. Yeah, exactly after this call, guys, nothing it will be recorded. Okay, it's not allowed to record like the next calls, unless like it's for people that is taking the service. But I'll try to find a way that is safe for us as well. But I'll let you know about that. Okay, we'll have some type of security even for people doesn't record and all that. Okay, but we'll try to find a way so people can have access to that content without like recording. Okay, but I don't promise anything about that. Okay, but I'll try. If we didn't want to wait for bootcamp, yeah, if you don't want to wait for the bootcamp, okay, you can learn like with me or with admins. Okay, there is 3 or 4 admins, I believe, that is selling that service. There has their own price. Okay, it's not my price. You need to talk with them to see the price. If it's me, I just like the next person or the next 2 persons that coming to me after that, I'm done. Okay, because I have too much and I can't keep accepting more people. Otherwise, I don't have a life. I'm sorry for that, guys, but I'm a human being. I can't do much more than that. Um, Calls. Okay. Okay. What's your charge? Okay. Imagine I have 2 services. Okay, for everyone that is there. Yeah, but I'm going to send message me, guys. If for someone that is interested, message me. I'm going to send my price with the 2 services that I have. Okay. Or message the admins. I don't know who you want to message to have the mentorship. Okay, the 1-1. Any pricing structure on this one? Oh, no. What do you mean by pricing structure? What do you mean by that, bro? Okay, okay, I understand. I have it, okay, I have mine, but admins, like, I don't know if they have there, but their own list of price or anything like that, but you need to ask them, okay? We gonna please proceed. Yeah, guys, you have tickets, a support thing, okay, in let me show you guys. Let me open here the Discord. Where is it? Where is it? How I can put the Discord here? Give me a second. Here. Everyone can see, right? I believe. Guys, on the bottom, okay, you have here tickets, okay? You come here and you click and you can write something, anything you want, like in terms of supporting admins, and sometimes even myself will be there to help and answer that type of questions, okay? But this here, you just click, you come open a ticket, and one of the admins will take the ticket. Let me, okay. Let me, no, this is not lead method, bro. I don't think, like, this is another thing, guys, okay? My way is really like unique, okay? Because this was, I learned most of the things on RCV, okay, guys? I don't have any problem saying this, okay? But the how I apply the concepts and the how I do everything in my models and everything was built by me, okay? I decided how I was doing work and putting to work for me, okay? And there is some details there that you don't see anyone. I never saw, like, it's not just because it's me, but I never saw anyone doing this type of details and explaining like this to people like I do, okay? It's not, again, okay, it's not because it's me, it's because I never saw that. And in terms of trading world, I've seen many stuff, okay? So yeah, guys, but I'm going to show you now, okay? Let me finish the questions. Give me just a second, guys. Yeah. Give me a second. Okay, yeah. So, but yeah, after all, guys, like, I use this call, okay, to promote like the service that we're gonna have, and so you guys can have more or less like you guys know more or less how we're going to work from the future. You guys going to have a weekly calls, okay? This is what I'm going to talk right now. Let me put let me open this 1 second. Why is this not opening? 1 second. Why? Okay, here. Give me just a second, guys, please. Here, I'm going to open from the other. 1 second. Let me find, because I have here. I will show you. Oh, by the way, guys, before some of you start leaving, I'm going to leave here on the chat box, okay? The feedback, this is the site where you do, where you give us your feedback, honest feedback, please. We really need your opinion to keep improving and giving you a better service, okay? But yeah, next thing, where is it? 1 second. Okay, this is what I really wanted to show you, and I decided to leave this to the end. Okay, let me open this here. Okay, can you guys see this? What screen are you looking? look at this. This this is going to be our next service, okay, guys? That is, you have the option of this, okay, of with discounts of months, okay. This, it will be one call per week, okay, one call per week, where I talk about bias. I will always try to put some admin talking with me in a call. It will be like it will rotate call by call. It will be a new admin, okay, other admin. But here, yeah, the price is $27, okay, monthly. That represents 4 calls. What you're gonna have access is, I don't have the thing there, but I think it's there, but you can't see. Okay, the reason why I click on this link, I have another one, but it's not working. It should work, but yeah, monthly it will be $27, 3 months. I don't recommend anyone taking this one, okay, the big one, because like it's a big commitment, like it's big time. It's 1 year of the service, and we never know the day of tomorrow. So like, try to if you want, you can take it, but I don't recommend, okay, because we never know the day of tomorrow, okay, guys. You guys have the payment service. You can pay how you want. We, after this call, me and the admins will put everything to work, so you guys can find the link and everything. But what I wanted to show you is what you going to have access is this. So weekly call bias, okay, this is the calls that you're going to have access for this price. Plus you're going to have access for the staff markups. This is what the other person was asking me, okay, in questions. This is what you're going to have access, the staff markups. The admin is going to be the admins that are going to put the markups there. Sometimes I can put as well, but it will be more them, okay. They're going to put their markups there. You're going to have this role, because with this role you can have access with to the other channel that will only allowed for people that is paying for this, okay. And you also will get more 50% XP boost in a server. This is not like a big deal, but it's something that you can see there that we offer as well. So yeah, guys, for me, this yeah, I'm done. Like I said, everything I wanted to say. You all know that after this, okay, after this call, it will not it's everything from now on, it will be a paid service. This one, it was just to show you like what you all can expect, so you all know what you are going to pay for. And yes, the markups will be full with detailed, okay. That's the reason for everything. Let me see. And yeah, guys, thank you very much. I hope everyone could ask their questions. Thank you very much for your presence here. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, give me your honest feedback on the website that I just put it there, okay. And yeah, myself and admins appreciate you guys coming here, and bye bye.